To enhance your intelligence and make the most of your knowledge and skills, consider these life hacks. 1. Embrace lifelong learning. Challenge yourself to learn something new every day. Whether it's reading an interesting article or book, watching a thought-provoking documentary, or taking up a new hobby, engaging in continuous learning can expand your knowledge and boost your intelligence. 2. Prioritize regular exercise. Physical activity not only benefits your physical health but also improves your mental well-being. Research suggests that exercise enhances cognitive abilities such as focus, concentration, and memory. Additionally, it helps reduce stress hormones like cortisol, which can hinder brain functioning over time. Make exercise a regular part of your routine to keep your mind sharp. 3. Ensure adequate sleep and manage stress effectively. Sleep deprivation and chronic stress can significantly impact your cognitive abilities. Aim for 8 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal brain function. Additionally, find healthy ways to manage stress, such as engaging in relaxation techniques, spending time with loved ones, or seeking professional help if needed. By taking care of your sleep and stress levels, you can enhance your mental performance. 4. Develop problem-solving skills and critical thinking habits. Problem-solving and critical thinking are essential skills for intelligence. Cultivate a mindset of curiosity, open-mindedness, and adaptability. Challenge assumptions, explore alternative perspectives, and embrace creative solutions. Incorporate problem-solving strategy sessions into your daily routines, both personally and professionally, to sharpen your intellect. 5. Read books. Explore a variety of subjects through non-fiction literature to expand your knowledge, gain insights, and enhance your intellectual growth. By incorporating these life hacks into your routine, you can stimulate your intellect, expand your knowledge base, and become a more well-rounded and intelligent individual. Remember, intelligence is not solely measured by IQ, but by how you apply your knowledge and skills to achieve your goals and navigate the complexities of life. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment with the questions you'd like answered next. And make sure to click that video thumbnail on the screen before the time runs out to uncover more wisdom and guidance.